Yo.
Them not send no. Give me a look it off for true.
Send gift, man.
Them not send nothing. So she are going. Yeah. Hey. Come, we are going to the station now, guys. The police says a TikTok moment. Eat them. Guys, she got another van. We are going to the station. We are going to the station now. So no send gift. She not respect for nobody, my dear. Apple! Come now, we are going to the station, Apple. Come now, Apple. Be a crowd, guys. Yeah, money gone pack. Alright, that me a talk. What? Oh, the mother, I'm not see the mother. Alright, guys, we are going to the station now. My dear. Apple! Come now, girl! Guys, we're going to the station, okay? So come with me. Once speed them I go, I go down speed them I go for true. I want speed them I go now. So how the blood clot this?
Oh, she can't go on speed.
She can't go on speed?
No, man go on speed.
Let me say. Oh, right. So Lavern, you know, we have to call out Lavern. I forget Lavern's story. Down there, them I go. Come, guys. We have to wait. We have to wait. Wait, little. I like. Eh? Don't call me name. Don't call me name. You come now, girl. What? Where Paco blacks them? Paco! No, don't call me. You not gonna mix me now. I made the lady gonna click her life for me tomorrow now. Come here. Leave me alone. Guys. Wanna go so? Hold on. No, see them turn off there. Well, Lavern there. I want him from butter. Hey, you some butter big and sexy. We are going to tear that mix up. Come now, girl, we are going to do.
No, I can't go down there, son.
Why? Well, I do. Alright, go and go there here. Apple pie. People might cheer for your blood clots. I don't understand. So, Lavern the apple. Call Lavern. Don't forget Lavern's story. Paco.
Muta. Go on.
Don't call me name. Ask Muta nothing. Come at so we are go, guys. What you? Down so we are go. What you mean? How would the blood clean this? Is that tea? The policeman says a TikTok moment. Yeah? Me dear? Live. One Muta. Lady, I go click live for me. I say Muta. Ask Muta.
Ask who?
No, man. No go, man. No go.
I already know I'm gift them a while ago.
Oh, blood clot. Them say I'll auto reach over here.
Oh!
Auto. Auto. Any auto? Guys, we work at the station. You know the farm, when I reach down there, so you just turn and you see the big blue and white building.
I don't point out station to nobody. She's so rich at the station.
Something nice, no? Guys, people may just tune in again. We are asked what going. Rosealee fight her mother. And police come fear. No, not fear. Eh? What me do? End the life? End it? Okay. Oh, man. What your people must say?
What's your eat?
The people must come for walk faster. I can't walk faster. Burn it up. Shoot them down. Oh, no move, no man. them down. Guys, I soon reach and just have faith. Them believe in that money, so them stay by your side here. See, still. I love it to come in the back of me, moving a blood clot. Inside the station, we are going on. Listen, no, man. No, she not make me blood clot, boss. You say she not make me boss, from she click live for me, but I clip back my life. I can't bother with that. I just try this. Mad. Tap up the screen, guys. Tap up the screen. When I see me upon the live, I'll not call my phone. Me anything, no man. See building here, be so rich. Shanty build no man, me dey on live. Yo, me anything, no man. So rich now, guys. Boy, see the light there flash. When I see guys, we're rich. See no far? Shanty, I soon call you. We're rich, guys, we're rich. Watch out them stop. May I go? Put the phone on or do not disturb. Shanty, I soon call you. Cause we know she see me on live, you know. Guys, remember I can't go by the station, you know. So hold on. The excitement, bomba clock. Hey, the police said top sorrows. Two lions. How much? Oh, the police said beside me 2 lions. And them love the fucking. How near can I come? Money gone. The police them say the money gone. I got any. I can't deal with this, sir. Alright, the yellow, the brown clothes police said them are going. So you see the one we are joke, we are gonna go up to them. Wanna send me something now? Wanna stop going so. May I come off? Wanna not see nothing. Them down. Thank you. Alright, go now. Alright, officer. Am you on the alive? Alive. What should I say in there? I'm not boosting for go there. But my son a crime scene, nothing, you know. I mean, I'm sexy. You're there.
How much am I giving that?
How much am I giving?
The amount of smarty where they pan that.
Holy. The police said my money gone. What going now? When I said come no man. Go in at the station and one give me for going there. Come I can't go in there. One give me. Oh, Rosealee gone round at the other side, so you're not going to see her. Put up the phone. You're not seeing nothing. Shanty, you see me on the live. Bill no Shanty? Back, man. Shanty, you see me on the live and you call me. Me know you call me, baby?
Yeah, me know they see you, bro.
Yeah? Oh, come here, just so. Oh. See, my big boy, you know? My big boy, yeah. But say, what I do? Big boy, yeah. Wanna give the police something for that now? Wanna say the guys. Me I leave because I not get nothing. But for she, alright, me I come on. Balloon. Thank you guys. Wanna see her? Yeah, that me I talk about. Something more from go near her. Something more from go near her. Yeah, the police themselves come near that so we can get a good view. So give me something. They are hurt, man. Oh, I'm not Ross. I think that will good. You want me to zoom in more? I know she ever cuss me. She ever cuss me. I'm Muta my name, you know. You see Muta, she always, yeah, me. Tell me the woman coming on my video. I don't want the police on my video. Oh God, give me it. Guys, me go in it. Good night. One Muta. Ask Muta! When Rosealee say if Jake suck pum pum, ask Muta is me. You don't know me. But you crowd that come down now. At least I can't go take now, you know. And then the police are going to run me. If you need to report opiate. No, my love. Jake's done near me.
Give, man. Thanks and manners and
You
respect.
already know you're welcome, baby, at all times.
We're gonna reach a look a bit closer. Let's get a look over here.
Yeah.
Boss, you're there foot.
I bring that forward.
Another sweater.
Keep us back, man.
No one remember that. Give it up for Papa Life.
Why would he remove us from the box, Yummy?
I mean, alright, that's over there.
No, you might have played.
No, like.
Then this is the mama fire chop out, the whole of fire chop out.
Box. So we can see better. We need to see better. So who can come out and not talk can come out of the box so we can see.
Right.
Push your, hey, babe, push your phone over a little bit that way, yeah.
This way.
So the boxes ain't in the way. Yeah, you're fine. Watch out for all that mess back there. Hey, we're giving some people a ride real quick, babe, okay?
She good. I'm okay.
I mean, one of one of them carry first for move.
I'll be there. Yes, I'll be
Nice to meet you. I'm B.
That's when we fight stuff.
It's been that way for like probably about 20 years. And then on TikTok, I be rude.
Lima just reach
Like 600 battle, which is like 5 minutes.
Yo, voila.
I be on there chilling, like, my husband be on like now he's recording this, like, because his mom was there, stuff, you know. They're chilling,
Does she have strength there, mother?
Are you said right at the bottom of the hill?
you reached the house.
I don't know what could I really cause that.
Right, I'm going up.
Me I say, but when I call you a while ago, no war never go on it, man, cause
I mean, it did go on already. When you call
You're
me, it did go
welcome.
on already.
Try to stay warm if it's cold outside.
Me and the root on the phone when them just pull
right
up, you know.
there, right on the corner of
I
this
wait
side.
time. A true Lavern go live.
Yeah, with Rose when she go live with Rose earlier, man.
Yeah, I'm here.
I got class, she go live.
I'm like half a life, man, we. Yeah, man, share for life.
I just didn't want to let nobody have to walk because it was cold.
What's not gonna fuck Rose night, dog? I like. I'm here to the quiet with over here.
People say they want to come in your box before. They want to come in your box, voila. The power bank, send for the power bank.
Somebody has to go bring it.
Hey, baby.
She was like, if that's not,
Bring it.
fun too.
I'm bring the power bank forward.
Outside. I'm too lazy to look out
Yeah, see there.
I be carry what
And she's gonna make one of you what?
nothing.
And plus, you
I'm
were
gonna
with me,
come
so I
out
didn't
and
care. I
do
don't
it.
really fuck with them.
There now.
Obviously, you know that.
She
is a tweaker.
What time is she like to
She said, I'm a walker, but you already know that. Oh, yeah, we know you're a
Let me change you
walker.
something there.
So Lavern get stop she get her chop in her face, so she get
I'm chopping her forehead.
Okay.
from what they me
Okay, you gotta bring it into me though, real quick, so I can do that.
Rosalie want put her out, you know. Here are one night I cuss out blows not. I cuss out blows
I'm gonna make the box bigger.
I saw them she
I
want
really hope them lock up Rosalie. She's doing too much.
Yeah, man. What do you tell them?
She's doing too much. Justice needs to be served.
You want it here?
Okay, go get the green.
So she want put her out. Put out her mother basically.
Mom, you know everything that's
I'm gonna go on like a shit daughter.
Where is it going?
No, me I say from one night
So
me and
in charge
Lavern
of the power
cut.
bank now?
Who me if you come with power bank, you see like lock off out of station where you want to look for. Lavern I get some money and now he chop when she get last because she not get no money, so she might get some money for the liquor.
So now that's why I talk about James, make sure run up and down with too much big stone. And start calling my cousin here.
No, but big man thing,
yeah,
right?
things are
We have to
getting
chop me one for. Man, it's out for blue card. That's out for blue
Lavern
card.
too full.
Gucci, answer with
She say I'm mother
request.
too full. The fuck with you, she go on with.
Gucci go answer request. Gucci box full.
When they can't take me down and take me down and bring up somebody else.
Alright.
Well, how much percent on the phone?
Level.
I just send a power bank we give him. Let's cancel that. Who was the guy bad man?
You kill the phone and pass it. All is the film scale. All is over there for me. I run go for his power bank.
I station. Yeah.
Money out here, money out
No! Well, it's a share pay money, that's why they don't have to like. No, mix up the weather go and some of them would know over here about the people life. All of them about up your life. I can't see me come, that them I say. We're dying machine.
Yeah.
Nah, that's the phone, man. The same guy feel power pack. That's the life, man. How much
Just a reach.
Rose, look at come out and I'm live. Rose, feel like come out and I don't want to come out. Yeah.
What is there to see? If the people them like a flight to the station, what is there to see?
Come on,
Early on,
If
for the
people ever
car,
go live, I tell who to come out a box
station,
and who to come out a
and
box.
tell them to
Hear
go.
Let
them
me know you since night.
before
That's
back.
not run a rebel them since night. Let me know if after or before. I don't know. Could have seen me here, I don't have rebel them since. My brother.
Yeah, wait. I think all that have lost more quick. She can get hot with us cut, yeah. Oh, problem. You want to pick them 3 more. Same time she come out. Wash over. So you see what she do? And she take on another woman. What's that she got?
From me, said that go and still, me not see her. So I must before. Me did see her.
You up on the road, man. Man, why everybody here?
I want thing everywhere you're there. Everywhere you're there, I want. What that? Oh. Just a pick up where I say, man. Just a pick up where I say. No, I think I phone him attack. But just a pick up where I say. Apple come out of my life now, man. Apple come out of my life now, man. Ah.
That's how I get in here. She does fit the apple. Good thing.
I'm not for you, I make good sleep.
Sleeping is a mosquito.
Less than 3. Oh, fuck. The bank is here. That means the girl not dead. No, King. 100% fully charged.
Closer.
Yeah, man, I Parker, baby, back and strike the Parker. Parker. Parks. Next. Yeah. Parker. Wait, no. I'm gonna lie me at Parks. Next. Yo. Yo, give me light now. Give me light and go on. Give me light now. We go to my girl on the spot today. Room on the next side of my bar. Room on the next side. When am I load up a thing?
Hey, hold on. Shot Nazilla, we are doing Nazilla for a
Going into them have Rosealee people.
murder.
But hold on. Where am I go left the Wi-Fi?
They say, no, I haven't been, but Mom, in the running for it started, Mom say, yeah, come on, busy, because I said, the fuck start.
Everybody go on the walls. And I try to go on the wall station. I try to hear what she say.
When they at TV garden, at the police station, where I try to see
The grass wet.
Oh, see Rose head there through the window. See Rose head there through the window. Right, that's where I head there. I figure I head that.
I'm trying to pay Lavern a visit, you know. Walk around a Lavern, you know, what you say?
Well, no. See more blue light of power though. You what?
Oh!
Yeah, beat me up, go.
Yo, what you say, alright?
What do you mean? Chat, we are far over there, chat.
I interview Lavern and so on.
Chat, we are far over there, chat. I don't know a better image.
And then, I could see Lavern without it, huh?
Rosie say water. Water say around a belty. We are far over there, chat.
Send me the gift, chat. Yo, we interview Lavern and so on.
I go to Rosealee, mother, you know.
Yeah.
Send me one the bill.
Send in the gift, chat.
Send it.
Acha.
Look at the move now.
The blood clot, the blood light.
The phone are dead, Vicky. This next phone there.
Who around there?
Yeah?
People out there, them
Them out there said we dime out there. Yo.
I'm love chat. Remember, send me then there.
No, man, I love her where I go.
Left
Them cusser, I feed them checks. Chat, them
Yeah.
Feed the chat, feed the chat. Yeah. Chat, you know say you nah put nothing for them view your chat. You know say me gonna lock off my camera. You nah put no things, bro. You nah have to put things, bro. See video face there, video with him flashlight chat. I don't know him a pray. Chat. You have to put things, chat. You have to put things. For chat. You have to put things, bro. You get me? If you don't put nothing, bro, oh, now go see. Change, hold on. I know you're there for my life. I know you're there for my life, bro.
No, add him. No,
No, I have to add my bro. I have to add my bro. No lock off the service, you know. Put it on low power mode. Chat. If you not put no gift, you can't see it from them view your chat. You not gonna see it from them view. Nobody else now have them view your chat. Remember good no man? We not go in tonight though. Go and feed now. I can't left and right there, so if I left and like the people might cuss me. I'm the phone, we don't want to see.
Suck your mother.
No, allow them alone, I'm a people them. Chat, them are gone. Chat, them are gone, chat. Gonna still have to put some chat. What wanna do?
Them not just better be school.
That me and say. Chat our fake man they over there saying I'm car chat. Him they over there say chat. See him blue car there. See him there chat. Him there chat. Yo, my bro.
I'm saying.
Yeah, dog, we there, dog. Rosealee stab her mother.
No, they met time.
What that? Margaret, I want to take him down.
I didn't fall. You see a bit nice, make.
Make it dog good, man. Chat, wanna put something. Relax, no man.
Pinky! Alright.
Chat. You know say me.
This one is just a loose sleep over now. I got my baby. Yeah, she not hear.
The people them say where GX there. Eh?
But the thing is, Rosealee is easier herself and stop being by herself and something. Because the woman never come on live, come say nothing. Remember say that she never come on live, come disrespect her, come say nothing about her. She just play and play her match and something. You just make sure if she call your name now, then you're going to say the woman can come in at all.
Chat, GX there's something over there, so chat. GX there over there, so chat. GX there over there, so chat. We now go over there, so. Yeah, so there.
That is it.
Chat, really and truly, me I feel for go over now. If I don't put something, I stay.
Don't beat her before she pass the food. And so when she don't pay her down, so get the food. But if you remember right, Lavern, the person there beside her, I listen to Rose like. And Rose at the end when she come in and she go beat up her blood clot and she shop come out tomorrow. I try to live over there. Three daughters live over there. One round baby, Rose and the little one, and then one next one always. So she will come compare, you know, come tomorrow. I come Friday and roast it. Tomorrow Friday, I come roast it. Yeah, roasted twice. Roasted. I buy her the stove. I buy her the stove and I buy her the gas. The cylinder gas, me a come. And roasted. Not even cooking or cooking up.
Rose still in there, man. Chat. Rose in the same way, man.
The stove now nothing. No, Lavern, so they even say Lavern because she now lock her up. Lavern, Lavern sitting there. Lavern right. But that is what me say. That is what me say. Lavern right. But understand they don't want to come talk certain things. But Rosa going to say TikTok is fucking here. She's going to TikTok of here. No, come over here, come take the phone off. Because she wants to use her fucking money and control people. She wants to use her money and control people. She never just say, you get boss with them now. I'm tell you, I just start here. You can't shape by that outer shit, but the more you have money, you change your personality and everything and something make you gravitate to you. You don't say the one time you get big views and some when people might be a baga. Yeah, the people them know like
Chat, you answer on one of the question them in the comments them. I can't see what go on. You not move too speedy.
What jokes there? Get them back.
How you running? The people them.
You see me? A long time the woman there on a stroke land and she have you see me?
Lavern, play a match. Only need to play a local match, play a match.
So him spelling me, see there? Type in D-I-M-O-N, man. D-I-M-O-N. I want to see the thing come up.
See name? That is the name. That is it. See the night chat. We follow it after this. So.
Yeah. I want to press up full strength, you know. See, madam? Yeah.
That is it, chat. In the top of his screen, make Lavern get the complete. Yeah, man, chat. I forget it. Peanut, mind your business.
Yeah, man. She not plan for personal charge for her daughter. None of them type of thing. She just want her to leave her alone.
You like things to chat? And get one phone.
Yeah, bro. Right. And as me tell you, we no want to do our daughter not need that we know. You see me I say? She just want her to leave her alone. Make she do her thing and live her life to her. You see me? That's it.
It's like right now, people that feel like I'm dumb and I can't talk for myself. But it's just these people talk like there is evidence.
Yeah,
they just talk like they are my evidence to all of this. So when I talk like I say, Lavern, I make up one story.
All of them want money.
The people them I show you from way back when, from when them know me, and what.
No, no,
June Rosealee Dixon claims that I did not do as a mother. So what give her the right to do this? What give June the right to do this to my face? I want to know what give a child a right to do a mother this.
Oh,
whatever I say and do and whatever I do. What give a child a right to do and parent a mother this? What give a child a right say a child do a mother this? Bust on my
make
face.
sure you follow the page.
Judge your phone ring.
Lavern, you forgot doctor, mama.
Good doctor.
So, I never come here to.
Chat, she mute me.
Listen, bring down, nothing. But just come and enjoy myself. I'm glad so when I come on TikTok or social media, they called me. You mean if I want to go party by myself and run up in this? They called me.
No, some
and I was just trying to have a phone.
Before me ever get that to that point, there,
somebody that I know that maybe she and June they have them friction from long time and whatever you. I don't know what I deserve this. I don't know. If you could have a reason to talk it over, I saw you talk about things where you want to because the people can't say, oh, she deal with her mother. I'm glad the whole world say, oh, she deal with her mother. Okay. From reaching the yard since I'm say, I do nothing, forget about social media, no, you don't do nothing, and I don't do nothing but me get this.
You feel aware.
Thank you guys, love you.
Try to catch your speed. 6 rows my side.
Kind of weak right now, you know. Yeah, I'm kind of weak right now. I don't know if I can go on a little while longer till I finish up, but I feel a little weak right now. Come on, get something to eat, and I kind of a little weak right now.
Just take it easy. You need to go doctor.
You understand me? I don't know if I threw the lick when I get on my face, but I feel kind of weak right now. Yeah, I want some strength. Like I'm spiritually drained right now, so I want some strength. So
you need to sit, Lavern, take a seat, sit.
Yeah, man, so she doesn't make one know what's going on.
Yeah, you know what's going on. You understand?
You don't want to play no match or nothing.
I want to play no match or nothing.
You see me? We just want she tell her things.
Yeah,
and you know what I mean?
Understand.
I get her something to eat and you know what I mean? Yeah.
So thank you guys. Love you. One love.
This should not go up there till tomorrow.
One let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and we'll feel alright.
Danira, yeah.
Let's get together and feel alright. Thank you guys, love you.
Why you never come near me on a bad day?
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Make sure you follow up the page.
Yes. Yes. Yes,
the woman old too, she probably can't take so much look in her head. Most hated way you say sorry. How you say most hated? Arsis, can you suck my jaw?
Yo, no more match. She not play no more match, bro. You see me, she just there go and reason. We not play no more match. You see it?
You sure, bro? Cause they must see them want help.
We not there for no match. She just there attack. What go on with her? You see me?
Yeah.
The comments want help her, bro.
Love you guys.
And she not come off for the app or none of that. She just go on. Yeah. She just want to make everybody know so she alright.
I'm alright so far.
Yeah, but she get her lick in her face. Yeah. And you see me?
Yeah. I mean, I deal with it professionally. You understand? Yeah. Cause I done my daughter already. No matter what kind of how she think or what go through her head, she's done. I done my daughter. I done my child already. So I'm gonna just ask the Lord to fix it. Cause God is in control. You understand? Love you.
Authentic. Yeah, you can't come down now, bro.
Yes, guys. Thank you very much. I'm gonna get something to eat now and kind of relax myself because you know I'm spiritual and physically drained because of all of this. So thank you guys. And this is not a sham. It is not a sham. It's real as it can look and be. I would not do myself this. It's real. And too much strong, but still can't do it. So stand up, liquor, we don't know. Thank you. So, see you later. Goodbye for now. To you, my friends. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again. Love you. Thank you very, 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 very much.
And so she drove a real girl, you know. Man, she deserve to get her chance, someone like anybody else. She deserve to get her chance, you see me? So, I'm going to make sure wash off her face. You see me? Because she there with me, make she calm down and, you know, easy herself and thing, you see me? Wash off her face and then...
Thank you very much.
So Rose, hear me, Lavern, what you say? Because them want know what start all of this, like what the problem, why this really happen?
You don't know? 12th of June, I've been saying over the media about baby father, dead with and whatever you want me not pay that no man come know it's not true. And then, should me don't have a phone for myself? Whosoever advise me and say, can just go and pay the page. So, all I did was just that. So, I don't know what happened. That is just it. And all they have to see for themselves say, see it and say me that soon and tell you what go on. On see it and see what go on. You understand me? So it's just that. And truthfully, me not nothing to hide. I don't know why she don't want me try to eat her food. You understand me? And nothing wrong with that. Thank you very much. So I don't know why she lick me on my face. I'ma fight her back though. I'ma fight her back. If I bust her back her face, but I'ma fight her back. Because June is my child, not me is her child. Thank you very much. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Yeah, because I did that one night time when I reason with her, because you know, I feel a little vibes and I say, you know, I love her and I walk with your corona the yard, you know, because you see the whole vibes and see what go on and things, you see me? I say, I walk with your corona the yard. Walk with that corona the yard now. You see me? And she say, yo, come in. And I say, me not have to come in, Lavern. Just go and go do your thing and relax yourself and know, say, alright then. You see me? You soon get a phone and have your page. You see me? Going. Because right now she not have a phone. So that's the only reason why she dep on the live there earlier. And that is the only reason why she dep on the live. You see me? Right now. Because as me say, we there and help her out and a coach her and make sure know say alright. You see me? The people them want to see up on the app because nobody no want help her. You see me? Nobody no want help her. So we say, here we go on. I say, Lavern, I know you from your youth. You see me? You come like a mother to see him way. And I say, yo, you see me? We're going to help you out do your thing. So true, she dey on the live today now. I don't know if upon the live she dey make it hurt her or whatever, but she dey on the live today. She not say nothing at all about her daughter. Cause me make sure. Cause Joan my friend to see him way now. Don't get it wrong in the people. And her daughter, you see me? So at the end of the day, me don't want to see no bad vibes. Me don't want to see the two of them just know say the two of them are live loving. Just like how everybody else help for them mother, she can help for her mother too. Good night. You see me, just like how everybody help them mother, she can help for her mother too. You see me? But she decides that she nah do it, and me never too like the whole idea of that, and me I say, alright then. So I go around the yard, me I say to myself, say, alright then, me I follow you go around the yard, cause I not too like where I go on. If you see me know, say I go around there, and I right in front of me, she a fight after woman, if me never hold her, and say, yo, easy yourself. You see me? Probably them would have still around there fight, one of them would have dead. Who say that? She better know what she do. She better know what she do.
Don't even like the bitch, you know. All of them round there talk.
She good though, people, as me say, she alright. Alright, now about a dozen spliff she have to smoke right now for calm down herself. You see? She no want to go to the hospital. So all who talk about the hospital, she no want to go to the hospital. Yeah, she bust up her head and thing, but it's not like, you see me, a something where she have to go in the hospital. You see me? So you just bail. So me there right now, and me make sure not really go press no charge on her daughter and them type of thing. Yeah. So if you just understand and know, say no, that we want. We don't want all of that drama there. You see it? Yeah. It's just, as me say.
You guys are saying if he cannot read, if he's not reading.
Enough found done here what go on already.
If she wants to go to the hospital, they would take her to the hospital. She doesn't want to go to the hospital. She cannot, no one can force her to go to the hospital. You guys are so negative. Nobody can force her to go to the hospital. She doesn't want to go to the hospital. So that's the only reason why she's not in the hospital. You guys are doing too much. And he can read, but he's doing something. And if she wants to press charges, that's not nobody else's decision to press charges but hers.
None of them can ramp with you, you know. Let me tell you, none of them can ramp with you.
Clearly he can, and I'll block anybody that has a problem.
Joe and your daughter so low, she alone and know say, yo, I can do whatever way. You see it? But none of them else,
If she wants to go and press charges, If she wants to press charges, that's her mother. She can do so. If she wants to press charges, she can press charges. Nobody's stopping her to. That's her life. She has to know what she wants to do. Just like Rose don't listen, she's not listening either.
I'm like, say like she get on with her. In my head, I don't ask her say, but I forgive me. I say, like, you tell me that bitch there. And she say, fuck you. So I'm looking back in her face. So I see night to that. She don't know. She have kill me tonight. I remember saying,
Bella, go suck your mother. He's not looking at anything. Trust me, he's well taken care of. So go suck your mother, bitch. And now hold a fucking block.
No, none of them can try you. None of them can try you. Me say you don't know June or daughter, so we not to, you see me, bring no violence to our daughter, none of them type of thing, you see.
Yeah, add some of the people didn't want to talk, some of them don't want to add them. Some of the people them said they want to talk, so you can't add them.
If you can't fight, me not take you. Yeah, if you can't fight, me not take you. You can't know why. You see how I never see how I can do. You never see how I can do.
Yeah, but I have to make sure say you're good, because at the end of the day,
you never have to make sure I'm good, brother.
You see, you see me, and she still get the chance to pass and whatever, because you know. She asks you for your bag. I remember, I made this. Because I grab her and look on her and say, yo, I may talk to you, you know. So she start easy herself. You see, because at the end of the day, me know why she operate them type of way. You see, know why she operate them type of way there. But at the end of the day, she feel look on certain thing and just know say, yo, I'm a mother that. And everybody a help for them mother. Why you can't just know say, yo, are your mother this, low your mother if you go up on the app. But do your thing too. Because people them want to see you too.
You know what I like.
You see me? At the same way, yeah, at the same way, baby father company up and your baby father start doing things and you fight down the dog. And your fight is like you tell everybody say, no, do this. Yeah. At the same thing now, why she have to have that little style about her?
The boys don't do the same style, what?
You see me? You know, allow people make them do them thing, man, because yet she not help you, you know.
I want for everybody, Lavern, come shave. Our lady come, and I want my friend from Sipan. And she the lady I said, she will buy me one phone already before this, she will buy me one phone and just one and whatever you and told it work out and we get the phone and stuff. So when you wanna encourage me, just encourage me now. Just encourage me because I see the stripes.
If the people
them when I fight get sorry, brother. Otherwise on the beef with she and Rose. You understand me?
Yeah. So that's why I never want but talking about the whole thing today, right? You know, want them to talk. And I make it look like
so. Intention, so I know why she goes. I prove to people so.
To the phone, your people. Sorry about the phone, man. Trust me.
The bottom line is, if I even Rose phone me,
phone are dead. I'm gonna have to have it down there.
What is our problem? And whatever happened, what is our problem? What shall I show people say? When you live in my face, if I leave a Rose phone to use, I'm never like, I know I'm gonna call her name. Someone that want that me and say no. That's what I'm saying now. So they understand where I'm coming from. So it's like she don't want me on the app. If you come style me no more about this and that. I have to go in the fridge and work help me buy everything but my need. Yeah. So that's a problem and that's a June problem.
Right.
But now wipe your ass no more. Yeah. Not wiping it no more. Stop wipe your ass.
Yeah.
I just know, one bag of friend them come on, I just know must say I come look out for Lavern, But I tell you this from now, and tell you this tonight, yeah. Now you can't see her and ramp with her, again,
No, I'm not gonna rush me, I must want to look.
None of them can't see her and ramp with her again. Me say that.
You know like them, I'm trying to look at me. You can't come to all the one. You know that. Somebody can do that. I like them. And one of them specifically are walking in the group. One kill she that. You want to kill she myself. You know, go up at I don't want to talk something. It's old Jesus. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. From the bottom of my heart to the depths of my soul. Yes, Lord. Completely, yes. My soul says yes. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. From the bottom of my heart to the depths of my soul. Yes, Lord. Completely, yes. My soul says yes. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. From the bottom of my heart to the depths of my soul. Yes, mighty God, you are worthy. Hallelujah. Jesus.